Hi there. Today I am going to just show you how I took out a doorknob out of my door that I'm recycling, that I made a barn door with. And I bought Pretty Handle, and it covers the hole. I also already have it set up on the other side. And I find where it covers the hole right there. So I already pre-drilled this one, so I am just going to put the screw in for now. It's going backwards. Right there. Leave it a little bit loose. And what I'm going to do is show you what I did up here. So it looks pretty straight to me. Some people might measure or use a pencil. I just hold it. Yeah. And then it makes the screw go in pretty easy. It's metal, so I have a little pointed edge. Yeah. There. That's it. And you can't even see the hole. Isn't that great? So I'm going to do the same thing to the matching door over here. But, yep, that's it for today.